In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply working scene into your plot, and also how to apply different types of action such as kissing, hugging, and the likes. Welcome to Femtech Studio. I am Obafemi by name. Today's tutorial's video was requested by two viewers, Shidima and one other viewer. Shidima, I'm so sorry for not uploading the video on time. Shidima's question was, how can I apply working scene into my plots? And the other viewer's question was, how can I apply an action, probably a kissing, in a bedroom scene? So I decided to join the two tutorials together. I want to say a big thank you to my subscribers and to those who have supported me in one way or the other. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time, please do like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell icon. Having done that, let's jump right into this tutorial. So for Shidima question, now you want to apply a working scene. All you need to do is to select on your scene. Probably let me create a new scene. Select on your scene, then locate your street. You either use the street wide, they're about 2 or 3. Okay, so street wide, let me open it. Okay, street wide shot, walking right. This is walking right, this is walking left. Okay, so what you need to do next is to select on a character, probably this. Then you can select on other character also. Okay, so once you add hello, excuse me, hello there, probably let's set it on him. So if we should play this, so you could see. So that's how to go about the working scene. So we have about 2 scenes, probably more than that. Let me take a look. I'm so sorry for this. I'm actually using an old version of Plotagon so that we could have a better view, a wider view of what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so street wide. Okay, these are the only 2 we have here. All right, so that's it. I've answered your question, Shidima. Okay, so for the next person, our question was, I'm so sorry for not mentioning your name. Probably you forgot to tell me your name when you called. So our question was, how can I make the character in the bedroom kiss? Now you need to understand how Plotagon works like this. Before you could call your 2 characters into action, to have probably enough for them to kiss, high five, or reject kiss shy, or any other thing, you must make sure they are both close. And how do you go about that? Okay, I'll show you. So now let's set on a character. So from this scene, this another scene, these are the first character and Victoria is second character. So I placed the male on the right hand side and Victoria on the left hand side. So because that's the only option it's giving me in this scene. So these are the two options that are closer to each other, and in order for you to apply the action, you have to use these two. So once that is set, then select on the character you want to act on. So I always have to select the male, and then Victoria will be selected. If she's not selected, all you need to do is just select on Victoria. Now this is where you select the act on, probably act on kissing. Okay, so that's how you go about it. So as you can see in the plot, I already have it before, so I'll need to delete this and probably okay, delete this and delete this. So once I play this one represents the walking scene. Okay, this is the text in the walking scene. This and that scene. These are the two characters in the bedroom. Do not forget to make sure they are both make sure they are both close to each other. Okay, then before any action, always make sure you attach a dialogue, a message, then want them to kiss. So let's look at it from this place. Alright, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video, share with your friends, family, and total strangers. Just in case you have any question about Plotagon, please feel free to leave your comments in the comment box section, or you could join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. I'll leave the link in the description catalog.